Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the aspect ratio of your video in CapCut for PC. So if you want to change the aspect ratio, you are just going click on the ratio right here at the bottom from the preview panel. Just click and you can see the option of the aspect ratio. You can change to 16 to 9. This is for a YouTube content, I think. And for example, I'm going to select this 1 to 1 for feed. Uh, yeah, for Instagram feed. Just click, and you can resize the clip like so. Another example, I'm going to change to a 5.8 inch. So I think this is for TikTok content. Just click on it, and you can resize, merge it, or you can rotate the clip and merge it like so. So that's how you can change the aspect ratio in CapCut for PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.